All right, we want to get into kind of the background of how our bodies work, what our bodies are designed, why we get cancer in the first place. You know, if we look at this, your bodies are nothing but cells. My body, your body, everybody's bodies are nothing but a bunch of cells. And what they estimate is your body's about 50 to 100, as a trillion cells. Okay, so that's all we are, is a bunch of little cells. So when you guys developed, two cells came together, fused, and then slowly over time, the cells just kept dividing and dividing, and now all of a sudden you're, human being, baby, and then they keep growing. More and more cells keep coming along and dividing and replicating. You grow up, right? All we are cells. That's basically, we're walking, talking, organized groups of cells. Every cell, which sounds kind of funny, right? But every cell has a life cycle. Most cells live for about 120 days, I think it is, and then they're designed to die. Every cell inside of your body has a point in which it's supposed to die. That term is apoptosis. What it is that your cells are supposed to grow, replicate themselves, and then die. And that's the normal lifespan. So about 120 days is what a cell should be living for. Okay? So when we look at this, this is the process. It's called mitosis. But every cell goes through this. It's cellular replication. So what happens is you start off with one cell. It's going to start the process of mitosis, where it actually splits into two cells, okay? Now out of these two cells, one of these will die eventually, and then this one will replicate, and that one will die eventually too, with the apoptosis like we talked about. So every cell has a programmed time frame. It should die, and that's how the body works, okay? Here's what cancer is. This is nothing more, nothing less. This is all cancer is, first and foremost. A lot of people don't even know this. All cancer is, it's uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in your body. And what it is it occurs when a group of cells don't die. So a cancer cell keeps replicating abnormally. So like a normal cell should die. It should absolutely just fade away and die. Cancer cells never die. They just keep replicating and keep replicating and keep replicating. That's all that cancer really is. Okay? So again, this is huge, because like when you guys go to the doctors or even check yourself, for lumps and stuff, the reason why you feel those lumps is that these cancer cells keep dividing and dividing and dividing, adding more, or like more of a tissue underneath your skin, and you'll feel that bump eventually over time. That's what you're feeling as a cancer cells.